it recording?
Yeah. Pool. Pool, pool, pool.
Don't drop it. Is it good? Oh, that's how you can drop. Hi!
Sarari.
Recording.
Yo.
Watch my slivat. Ja.
Ensinnäkin ja suun toista taas, joo.
Ja.
Näin.
Hi.
Good, how are you?
Good. Mirza, how do you feel being a year older?
It's his birthday.
Mirza, when was your birthday? On Saturday? Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mirza.
I want to say hi to the camera.
Hello, Russia.
Mirza.
Today at 5 on Hey. You right.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
I got it.
You look like rapping him.
Come on. It's like, can you make him turn around?
Huh?
Make him turn around.
Use the camera.
He looks black. Shatiabona. Look at that big TV. I was cold this morning, okay?
Oh.
Why would you
What? Oh, because there's a hole.
do we have a hole too?
I don't think you should put a band-aid.
What do I put? A finger in there?
Ciao.
There's a nice pizza.
Hello.
Yes.
What's your Twitter for us?
Huh?
I did a class, you know.
Hi. Come on.
Shut up.
So mean. Ow, whoa. Okay, we can record him sleeping too. Who'd you text now?
Bye.
Bye, Tita. Say bye.
Bye.
See, this is a band-aid.
Zeti.
Bye, bye.
Zeti.
It's recording. Camera. Ide na YouTube.
Shut up. Davidi.
Come on, Mirza.
Davidi, teta class.
It's still recording.
On
Yeah.
YouTube, you'll see it on YouTube.
Bitch na YouTube, you church. There's Velma's house. Let's record her house. That one right there with that car right in front of it. Yeah, that's her car.
What did he say?
Who?
Ask him if he wants to come sneak up.
There's Andy. Is that Andy? No, that's his little sister and brother. Alam! Alam! They shut the door. Dude, I fell down the stairs the other day. You know when we got off the phone when you went go? Kasi sasrat. I fell down the stairs running.
Bosanski's now na YouTube.
Now we have to lock it. Do you see lesbica?
Let's go.
Expedition into my house. Oh my god, you're making me run. What the hell? Should I take the laptop back inside or no? Or should we leave it out here? Because we're going to upload it again. No one's going to steal. Hold on, let's go record my daddy. Baba, say hi. Be careful, he might be awake. Yep. Mama! Why'd you eat my goldfish? Oh, I want my goldfish. This is so funny. said never eat my goldfish. I got him!
Your hair is good. It's not ugly.
I won't be yourself.
His hair doesn't look that bad.
Yes, it is. I'll share that. It's roasted pizza. Who are you calling now?
No, Matthew. Like the first on your list that I was called.
Cause you like him.
No program.
We were talking about you on my bed yesterday. When I told him that you said hi. He didn't even listen to me.
We'll be back momentarily, thank you.